Welcome to Autobot Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to add Auto Signal Connector to MetaTrader, enabling you to automate any of MetaTrader's indicators, experts, strategies, or scripts with any trading brokers available on our platform. Before we get started, let's download the Auto Signal Connector file from the Autobot Signal website. Navigate to the feature menu and select MetaTrader Connect. Here, you'll find the Auto Signal Connector. Download the version that matches your MetaTrader, whether it's MT4 or MT5. Once downloaded, unzip the folder to locate autosignalconnector.ex4 for MT4 or autosignalconnector.ex5 for MT5. Next, open your MetaTrader platform. In this tutorial, we'll use MetaTrader 5 or MT5 as an example. In the top left corner of your MT5, navigate to File, then click Open Data Folder. This will open a new folder. Locate the downloaded autosignalconnector.ex5 file, copy it, and navigate back to the data folder. Open the MQL5 folder, then the scripts folder, and paste the autosignalconnector.ex5 file there. Once done, close the folder tar. Back in your MT5 platform, go to the Navigator menu. Look for Scripts, right-click, and select Refresh. You should now see the AutoSignal connector appear. Before attaching it to the chart, navigate to the top menu, select Tools, then Options. In the Options window, go to the Expert Advisors tab. Check the boxes for Allow Algorithmic Trading, Allow DLL Imports, and Allow Web Requests for listed URL. Paste the Autobot server link, then click OK to close. Now, before running AutoSignal Connector, familiarize yourself with your indicator messages, particularly the terms used for buy or sell alerts. For instance, buy might also be referred to as long or call. With this information, execute AutoSignal Connector by double-clicking it or right-clicking and selecting Attach to Chart. Navigate to Inputs and input your indicator values. For call symbol, input the term your indicator uses for call, such as buy, long, or call. In this example, the indicator uses buy in all capitals. For put symbol, input the term for sell. In this case, it's sell. For filter symbol, input the name of your indicator, such as price reversal predictor. The signal key is crucial as it links to the Autobot. We'll use PRP for short. Leave poll check signal sleep and signal delay accept MS at their default values. Once you've entered all inputs, click OK to close the window. The Experts folder should open. If not, click on the Experts menu below. Keep this folder open, as it is essential for AutoSignal to read messages from Experts alert messages and send signals to Autobot to execute trades. That's it. You've successfully connected the MetaTrader platform to automate binary options or any trading platform of your choice. Please subscribe to our channel to access more tutorials and stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching.